My video guide for today will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the pop-ups that come from the site onlineguard.com. So onlineguard.com is definitely a deceptive website that may periodically attack your browser through new browser tabs. The pop-up indicates and reports the following statement. It says that your PC may be vulnerable to viruses and threats. But this message is absolutely faulty and definitely pretty scary. Pop-ups by onlineguard.com claim to be related to some decent security program, but in reality there is no connection between these pop-ups and that program. Furthermore, when you start interacting with these pop-ups and click on this Protect Now button, there are chances that you will simply be brought to some other dangerous websites that may promote another totally different software. In the light of this information, I strongly urge you not to interact with these deceptive and fake alerts. Don't install anything that they suggest. They are not genuine, and these pop-ups, by the way, may be the trace of some adware enabled in your system. I recommend you simply to leave this page and not to download anything that is promoted through these fake alerts. Also, I recommend researching your control panel because often the unusual browser behavior may be the trace of some adware. If you find something suspicious here, uninstall it regularly. I also recommend researching the system with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get on this page combocleaner.com. Get it through this green download button, download the installer, run the installer, and start checking your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.